of tech. This is your man Charles here, back with another fresh video. Here on the screen we have some dope footage that was recorded by the DJI AIR 2S. This is Ramsey Beach. As you can see, everyone is out having a good time in their boats, having some fun. And this is 5.4K footage. So there's really no need to go out there and run and get the DJI Mavic 3 Classic if you already have the DJI AIR 2S. You can still get some dope footage out of that. Don't get me wrong, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a great drone, but there's no reason to spend the money when you don't have to. Use what you got. As you can see, we really get some awesome, great footage. The DJI AIR 2S shoots 5.4K footage. It also shoots at 4K 60 frames per second. You also get panoramas, hyperlapse, quick shots, master shots. Indeed, it is fully loaded. Everyone, once again, for watching. Please press that like